how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, if you want to know how to do so, we are gonna guide you through the process. So let's just dive right into the video. Start by opening up your PayPal application and log in into your account. From there, you can navigate to the finances of the crypto section of the dashboard. Tap on one of those and within financials, look out for the crypto option, which is on the top third option on the menu, and tap on it. And you may tap on the buy option once you reach over there. From the given section, what we need to do is we need to choose Bitcoin from the list, and once you tap on it, you can enter the amount that you wish to buy. You can start with a little, such as $1, and type it in, and once it is confirmed, you can review and buy it. You can enter the amount that you wish to buy. You can start with as little as $1, and just go over and select up your payment method, such as PayPal balance, linked bank, or card, and tap on next and buy it up, and you can review the transaction details including the fees and confirm the purchase, and there you'll be finding the Bitcoin on your PayPal app. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. Find a platform. You just need to go over and do so. Otherwise, you can use PayPal with third-party wallets or platforms and find a platform that supports PayPal, has escrow services, and you can just go over and confirm it up. And once it is done, you should be able to buy your Bitcoin on your PayPal, and that's it. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.